I have the April P.Louise Budget Beauty Box. So if you want to see what Paige's picks are, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. You can't see him. Dexter could come down, although Bandit's here, so maybe not. And Chloe is just on her way home from school. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, collabs, giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for all your support and being part of our YouTube family. All right, so this is a monthly box. It's like 36 and change, but then it is from the UK, so there is some shipping added on. It comes out to in the $50 range, and every month you get a variety of items. You could get makeup, you could get skincare, you could get fragrance, who knows? And this month is the CEO, Paige, that's the P in P.Louise, her favorites. Here is a little sneak peek. And what I like to show you with this is just how nicely everything is nestled in. So there's no really, I'm not concerned that this is going to get damaged. It's also in a bigger box with a lot of paper in it to really make sure that everything's nestled in and we don't have any issues. So let's start off with the lashes. Now these are those little clump lashes, whatever you call them, where there's little ones. What surprises me is that these don't come with glue. And this is the third time, what do they call them? I just saw individual lashes. This is the third time I've gotten these and there's been no glue. So maybe these are the glue free. No, you need the lash glue, but they don't include it. So that would be my one suggestion, is if you're giving us lashes, give us the lash glue, because I am interested in trying this type of lash. I don't do well with the full strip. They never sit right. But this, you could just put them on in little clumps. Get, like for me, it's mostly here where I'd like to have a little more volume. So would love to try something like this. Need some lash glue. I've heard the Tonique stuff at Dollar Tree is really good from some other YouTubers, but the last time I went, they didn't have any. Next, we have the lip check. It has a lip liner in the shade Top Trend, a lip base in the shade Apricot Smoothie, and then a lip oil in the scent Party Bites. Now, I love their lip oils. They're absolutely amazing. So let's take a look at how this will all look together. Here is that pencil in the shade Top Rated. And I'm not a big lip liner person, but I will sometimes do it. Goes on very, very smooth. So like that's a shade I would definitely use. Next, we have the lip base. And look at how cute that is with the little charm on it. And there's the applicator. All right, so I smoothed it in a little bit. And that's very creamy. It doesn't feel dry at all. And then next we have that lip oil. So it looks to be kind of a pinkish. Oh, it is. But it's so delicious. So it's a pink to clear, and I just smoothed it over that lip base. The lip base, I think I would have to mix that with something else. I think on my skin tone, it wouldn't be great because I'm too pale. I think on a more olive skin or darker, it would be nice, but for my skin tone, I'd need to mix it with something. Next, we have the Glossy and Glazed CEO Glow High Impact Glow Seamless Finish Illuminator. All right, and there it is, all worked in. Very gorgeous. Like that in the summertime, oh my goodness, that is going to be beautiful. I'm going to be beautiful all year round, but I'm just thinking it'll kind of give a little bit of that summer tan effect, just that beautiful highlight. And you can put that not just on your cheeks, but you can put it like, you know, on your shoulders, on your chest, wherever you want, just that beautiful little glow. Next, we have the Face It Head On Sheet Mask Set. It says deep hydration, refined skin texture, enhanced plumpness, and skin comfort and balance. And you're going to leave these on for 10 to 15 minutes. And there are 3 sheet masks. And then last is an eyeshadow palette. And this is the Essential Palette for Face. These are 12 neutral mattes. So there's no shimmers in here, but these are a great foundational shades for putting like a nice duochrome or a nice shimmer over. So absolutely gorgeous. And P.Louise is very famous for their neutral palettes. All right, so tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product in here? I think mine is the lip kit. I love the glaze. So her lip oils are amazing. That's my favorite product in here. And I'm interested to try the lashes, but I need some lash glue. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.